The boys were playing cricket. Change the boys. The options are: cricket had been played by the boys, cricket has been played by the boys, cricket was played by the boys, cricket was being played by the boys. The correct option is answer D. Cricket was being played by the boys. Let's move toward next example. Which tense is used to express general truths and facts? The options are: present continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, simple present tense. The correct option is answer D. Simple present tense. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen eggs, fill in the blanks, rupees 100. The options are: costs, cost, costing, costed. The correct option is answer B. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen egg cost rupees 100. What do tenses as the form of a verb help to determine? The options are: the time of the action, the state of the action, both A and B, the number of action. The correct answer is answer C, both A and B. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. When I reached the bookstore, all the copies had already been sold. The options are: past perfect tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, present tense. The correct option is answer A, past perfect tense. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. We are going to reach the destination as scheduled. The options are: present continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. The correct option is answer A, present continuous tense. Next example, choose the sentence with the future perfect tense. The options are: they shall have arrived by then, they shall be arriving by then, they shall arrive by then, they shall have been arriving by then. The correct option is answer A, present continuous tense. Next one, choose the correct sentence. When I woke up, he has already eaten breakfast. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast. When I had woken up, he had already ate breakfast. When I had woken up, he has already ate breakfast. The correct option is answer B. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast. Choose the correct sentence. I, filling the blanks, the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now. Options are: takes, have been taking, would have taken, have had been taking. The correct option is answer B, have been taking. The next example, choose the past perfect continuous tense from the sentence. The children played in the park throughout the evening. Options are: the children played in the park throughout the evening, the children have been playing in the park throughout the evening, the children had been playing in the park throughout the evening, the children had been playing in the park throughout the evening. The correct option is answer D. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Here comes the soon top right. The options are: present continuous tense, simple present tense, future indefinite tense, present perfect tense. The correct option is answer B, simple present tense. Next is, which sentence is used to express that an action started in the past and is continuing till now? The options are: present perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, past continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. The correct option is answer C, past continuous tense. Next one, Pentagon, filling the blanks, 5 slides. Options are: had, has, have. The correct option is answer C. Choose the present perfect tense of the given sentence. The employee shall be on leave. The employee is on a leave. The employee had been on leave. The employee was on leave. The employee has been on leave. The correct option is answer D. The employee has been on leave. The next example, which tense is used to express an action completed in the immediate past? The options are: past tense, present tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense. The correct option is answer A, past tense. Identify the sentences as directed. I like playing basketball and my brother likes playing tennis. The options are simple, compound, complex. The sentence is compound. Next example, identify the sentences as directed. I have brought my umbrella with me in case it rains. The options are simple, compound, complex. The above sentence is simple. Correct option is answer A. Next example, identify the sentences as directed. My family came to Germany when I was in grade 5. The options are simple, compound, complex. The correct option is answer C, complex. The above sentence is complex sentence. Next one, identify the sentences as directed. He told me that he is returning to London next summer. The options are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. The correct option is answer C, complex sentence. Next example, identify the sentences as directed. We were doing a mathematics test when the fire alarm rang yesterday. Options are simple, compound, complex. The above sentence is complex sentence. The correct option is answer C, complex sentence. Next example, identify the type of sentences. Tom and Sammy studied the whole night. Options are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. The correct option is answer A, simple sentence. Here we see the next example. Choose the complex type of the given sentence. He worked hard but failed in the exam. The options are, though he worked hard, he failed in the exam. Although he failed in exam but he worked hard. He failed in exam but he worked hard. The correct option is answer A. Though he worked hard, he failed in the exam. Next example. Choose the simple type of the given sentence. He is very rich, but still he is unhappy. The options are, he is rich, yet he is unhappy. Although he is rich, he is unhappy. In spite of his riches, he is unhappy. The correct option is answer C. In spite of his riches, he is unhappy. Next example, choose the compound type of the given sentence. Beside being industrious, he is wise. The options are, apart of being industrious, he is wise. Though he is industrious, he is wise. He is industrious and wise. The correct option is answer C. He is industrious and wise. Next example, filling the blanks to make the sentence compound. He is sorrowful, filling the blanks, hopeful. The options are but, still, though, or. The correct option is answer A, but or still. He is sorrowful but still hopeful. Next example, filling the blanks to make the sentence simple. Filling the blanks, industrious, he is wise. Options are, not only he is, besides being. The correct option is answer B. Besides being industrious, he is wise. Next example, filling the blanks to make the sentence complex. A person filling the blanks is seldom trusted. Options are, who tells lie, telling lies, always telling lies. The correct option is answer A. A person who tells lie is seldom trusted. Next example, what type of sentence is it? Since we had only gone a mile from a camp, we decided to return before dark. Options are simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. The correct option is answer C, complex sentence. The given sentence is a complex sentence. Next question. Identify the type of sentence. It is difficult for me to focus yet. I try my best. The options are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. The correct option is answer B, compound sentence. Next example, identify the type of sentence. Mosmi said, I won't go for movies even if the ticket is free. The options are complex sentence, simple sentence, compound sentence. The correct option is answer A. The above sentence